Welcome, welcome. So I'm Carol Hogret, founder of CDH Education Inc., soft skills trainer, professor, and speaker with over 20 years experience in soft skills. And today, what I'd like to do is talk to you about how to become an effective public speaker if you're an extrovert. So let's get started, shall we? And so this ebook, it's a little ebook that I developed that will help you to go back and read again and again the points that I'm going to share with you today. So if you go to my website, you will get a copy of this free ebook, and I'll leave a link in the comments for you to get it. So, do you want to become an effective public speaker? I know we all do. For the interview, for the promotion, to really promote your own company or organization, if that's you. And so hopefully what I'm going to share with you will help. You first, please take this little 10 question inventory that helps you know if you're an introvert, extrovert, or ambivert. It's developed by the people at TED Talks, and I think it's a quick, neat little survey that will help you if you haven't taken it already. Now, pause and take it, and then let's talk, extroverts. So, if you're an extrovert, this is for you this week. Extroverts are described by the Oxford Dictionary as outgoing, overtly expressive people. And this is the higher the extroversion, the more this applies to you. But are extroverts good public speakers? Can they learn anything about becoming more effective public speakers? Well, from what I've learned through the years teaching and training, and even myself going to do presentations at conferences and the like, extroverts, some enjoy public speaking, many don't. Some get intimidated, and some are frightened of public speaking. So you can't assume that extroverts enjoy public speaking. What extroverts can learn in order to be better public speakers is how to be a better, more effective listener, how to be reflective. And these are some of the traits that introverts possess and extroverts can develop. So here are the tips that I offer for you. First of all, know your topic. Every speaker, introvert, extrovert, ambivert, must first know what they're talking about. And they must be aware that the topic is important and the audience is there to find out about it, to listen. So know your topic, right? Take some time to consider the types of questions your audience might be asking you about your topic so you can answer those questions effectively. Second, be organized. Now, in my course that I'm offering you at the end of this, I offer you an outline. But even if you don't buy the course, you can certainly find good outlines online. Find an outline, use an outline. A good speech must have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. It must flow well. So, in order to do a good speech, you must use an outline, practice with an outline. Then, of course, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice as many times as you feel to get to that place where you feel confident about that speech. Video yourself. Use your phone or your tablet or your computer and video yourself. And then if you need more assurance, send the video to a friend, somebody you trust, and ask them to give you their honest feedback about what you can change, and change it. If you're feeling nervous, challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself, why am I nervous? If I've practiced, if I know my topic, if I'm credible, why am I nervous? If I care about giving this speech to this audience, then the nerves are false. They're not real. And so tell yourself this over and over again until you start to feel less nervous. But if you're still feeling nervous, then visualize your success. Visualize yourself giving the speech. Your audience has applauded and you are feeling good about it. Visualize that, and that should help you. If you're still nervous, then do some deep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Do that as many times as you need to start feeling comfortable. Your body, your nervous system will calm down if you've done that. And then focus on the material. If your material is good, if your audience is invested in what you're saying, then, and if you've practiced and you've done your research, then your audience is going to be engaged. They're going to enjoy the speech. So focus on what you have to say. So don't focus on your audience's eyes. Focus on what you need to tell your audience because you think it's important that they need to know. And then don't fear the silences. If you have to regroup because you've lost your place in the speech, embrace the fact that you can be silent for a minute, regroup, come back, and let your audience know, okay, let's continue. So embrace those silences. Don't let the silences intimidate you. And then recognize that your success. You recognize your success after your speech or presentation. Give yourself that pat on the back. Give yourself the opportunity to celebrate. Just be kind to yourself because that's what helps you as a public speaker gain that confidence. You've got your self-talk has got to be, I'm good at this. I can do it. I have the credibility. Now, if you're still worried and concerned about becoming an effective public speaker, then we have an effective public speaking course for you through CDH Education Inc. So if you'd like to take the course, it's only $9.99. And it's chock full of 2.5 hours of on-demand video. You get full lifetime access, and you can access it from your mobile, from your TV, wherever you want to access it. I've got assignments for you so you can practice, and you get a certificate of completion. All of this for just $9.99. So if you need more help or support, take our course. Go to the website and you'll find the opportunity to register. There are different ways that you can register for the course. Now it's your turn, guys. It's your turn to practice. Now that I've given you these tips, put what you've learned into practice. Don't just watch this video and say next. Go ahead. Pick a topic that interests you. Find an outline or get the outline from our course. Write the outline, practice the speech, record yourself, ask your friends that you trust for feedback, or watch the recording over and over. Repeat the recording it again and again until you feel comfortable, and then let us know how you did. Send us your feedback at info@cdhinc.org or drop a comment. And then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get weekly soft skills videos. See you in the next video, guys. Take care.